All right, guys, I want to thank you for taking the course. I really hope that you take advantage of the information and actually implement it, because knowledge at the end of the day is only potential power. You have to have the courage to apply it. So therefore, I want you to take action on this. Go create your own YouTube channel, start pumping out content and linking CPA links in your descriptions, and see the traffic roll in and the commissions roll in. Now, it won't happen overnight. You're going to have to start putting some videos out there. Think of them as seeds that you're planting on the digital landscape of YouTube, because YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world. So if you pump out a bunch of videos and you put them on YouTube and link these links in your description, you will make commissions, I promise you. But you have to put the work in. It can be a great passive income stream, because all you need to do is put the initial time in and then the initial effort to actually put the video up there. And then once it's up there, it will literally sit on YouTube for the rest of your life and earn you commission. And you can literally just sit there and collect the money. So pump out a lot of content. I want to see you guys taking action on this. I really, really hope that you like this course. I hope that it brought you a lot of value. I think that this is a great, great business model because, like I said, it is passive, and we all know that I love passive. So on top of that, I do have other courses coming out on YouTube if you're looking for them. The next lecture will actually be the bonus lecture. And if you don't know what the bonus lecture is, that's basically the white article that has all the links from my, that I promote basically. So it'll take you, the one thing there is you can obviously come to my website and get my free dropshipping courses that are right here, or you can simply go and grab any of my other courses. They're all on here for discount links for my students. And on top of that, you can kind of piggyback. Maybe you want to try YouTube affiliate marketing. It's basically the same. It's really, really similar, but with affiliate links, it's different. It's similar, but different. So it's hard to explain. If you want to hop on that and check that out. If you're looking for any more passive income streams, obviously feel free to check this out. I do have a new course coming out. I've been pumping out a lot of content, a new course coming out on, basically growing a YouTube channel and monetizing it in the form of ad revenue. Now, one thing I did want to touch on that I didn't touch on is you can't unlock ad revenue until you get to 10,000 views. So that will happen, not obviously overnight, but it will happen a lot faster than you think it will happen, especially if you pump out, like 10 to 20 videos. That should happen relatively fast, maybe a month, maybe 2 max. I doubt it. But once you start, pumping out videos like that and you hit 10,000 views, then you can start earning ad revenue too on top of your commissions. So take advantage of that. Get to work, start pumping out some content. And I love to hear feedback, what you liked about this course. Obviously if you really liked the course, I'd really appreciate if you rated it 5 stars. It really, really helps to go a long way of ranking this course on Udemy's, Udemy. I don't know what Udemy is. I just said like Udemy. But on Udemy's search platform, it obviously helps rank the course a lot better. I really, really hope that this helped you guys. I enjoy teaching this type of content. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach out to me on the number of platforms that I've already listed. You can email me, you can message me on the platform here, or you can simply comment on the course and ask a question. I'm always willing to help my students. I'm always available, for comments. So feel free to ask and don't be afraid to ask questions. With that being said, I'm going to end the course here. I hope that you liked it. I will see you guys hopefully in the next course.